Are you from Wellington? Yeah. Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Hello, thank you.
Where are you from?
Hello. I'm from New Zealand.
Yeah? New Zealand. Are you from New Zealand?
New Zealand.
Wow. Nice, nice. This is your country, New Zealand.
It's not too kind.
Nice, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. What time is it now? What time is it now in New Zealand?
It's 11:04.
Time.
11:04.
11 o'clock.
11 p.m.
11 p.m. Really? But here in our country, Bangladesh, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Just you are hearing the sound from mosque. Sound from mosque. You are hearing.
Oh.
Yeah, really. Thank you. Just your country, New Zealand. Oh, nice.
So the 12th or 13th of
Just, are you from Wellington? Wellington, your capital city, Wellington. Are you talking from here?
Auckland.
Auckland. Actually, our country, Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Next to India, close to India. Bangladesh. And most of the people of our country, about 95% people of our country are Muslim. We are to Muslim. And you are hearing the sound of Almighty Allah, Allahu Akbar, from the mosque. The sound, Allahu Akbar, you are hearing. Actually, please come on in front of camera. Come on. In front of camera, come on. We are talking to in front of camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, what is your profession? I am asking first question. Are you a student or worker? Your profession?
I'm just a mom.
Oh, really? Nice. Actually,
I think I should say my work. I don't think I should say what work I do.
Actually, how is New Zealand according to your beauty? According to your beauty, how is New Zealand? Very fine. About natural beauty?
Oh, yeah.
Very fine.
Very beautiful. Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
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 Really. Actually, what is your name? Your name, please.
I'm Jess.
Oh, this is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. Oh. Actually, how old are you at present? How old are you?
I'm 31.
31.
I'm 31.
21. 21, really?
31. 31.
31. Oh, just I am 30. I am 30 years old and already finished or completed higher education. MS's degree or complete, and basically I am private teacher. I teach not only English but also mathematics. Private teacher. I teach to the students after going home, I teach my students. Really.
I love it. Yeah.
Have you ever visited our beautiful country, Bangladesh? Have you ever visited?
No, I have